Hello, this is Isaac Moses from Legal Shield, talking about Travis Moore from Capital Carpet Cleaning. I will talk about my personal experiences first. Travis and his company has cleaned multiple properties of mine and done a very thorough job. One of the properties it did was put a house on the market to be sold. It had white carpeting and it hadn't been cleaned in about 10 years. The house was completely empty. He did an excellent job getting all the stains out, all the pea spots out, made it look brand new and fresh, so I would not have to invest money into buying new carpeting before I sold that property. More importantly, he was able to get all the corners cleaned, which he did a phenomenal job did for me. And he did it all within a time frame that was allowed because it was kind of short notice, and he did an excellent job on that particular property. On another property that I have, which is my primary residence, he comes and cleans my carpets every 3 months because I have a dog and you never know where the dog's going to make a mess. And he's constantly cleaning them for me and can make sure that the smell's not in the house, which is very important to me. He also ensures the stains don't leave a marking because I do have darker color carpeting in that house. He does my walkways, and he also does, I have throw rugs. I have Persian throw rugs that have a tendency to kind of rimple when you step on them and put furniture on them. When he comes in, he cleans them for me, then he also straightens them all out, which is great. At that house, my house that I live in, he's also fixed the carpeting where he's pulled the carpet tile because it's kind of lumps and it's kind of lumpy when you walk on it. So by the doors, and he fixes that for me. Does a great job. Also, I have referred out Travis Moore and Capital Carpet Cleaning to my friends and family and acquaintances from my business. What I love about his business is that guarantee that he stands behind. His guarantee is that if you're not 100% satisfied, it's completely free, or he'll do whatever it takes to make it right. I did refer him a client. The client did not feel satisfied with it. This particular client, and Travis and them talked. They straightened it out. Travis went back the next day, took care of whatever issues there were to make sure that it meets the customer's expectations. So that means he stands behind his word, which I think is very admirable for somebody who owns a business owner. I have referred out Travis to people that own other properties and investments and like that, so that we can claim it before a new tenant comes in. He does a good job. Very good job. I have never had a concern with Travis. He stands behind everything he does. Like I said, we use him every 3 months to clean our houses. So I highly recommend his service. And the most important thing is that he's honest and he tells you it like it is when it comes to the carpets.